The school has a real-time view of the balance that has been allocated to that school for the EANS program. In order to submit a receipt for reimbursement, the school clicks here, enters transaction details, uploads the invoice or statement, selects a category if that was a requirement by the state, and can add comments. Schools can also pay service providers directly through the ClassWallet platform. They simply enter the Pay Vendor section, identify the service provider they want to pay, the amount, upload the invoice or statement, select the category if required, and completes the transaction. Administrators have the ability to review each transaction and approve or reject before any financial reimbursements or payments are authorized. They can view the reimbursement or payment detail, any associated paperwork that was uploaded, and simply approve or reject before the funding will be processed. Administrators have access to robust reporting, giving detail as to how much money was distributed to each school, and how each school has spent their funds, with item-level detail and a digitized paper trail for every single transaction. All of these reports are downloadable to a CSV file, which can easily be used for internal review or external audits. Reports show the date of the transaction, school name, school ID, which user, specifically what merchant they paid, what category of that payment, and all of the payment details.